So we finally got ourselves sofa. Well, this actually is a sofa bed. So yung nakita nyo kanina sa clips, may nilalagay pa dito to make it like an actual bed. Well, ilang months na rin ako natutulog sa sahig. Or I'm just sleeping with a carpet tapos may cushion na sa ibabaw. And yeah, I've been saving for a bed actually. But then, naisip ko kasi na I love hosting. Like, I love inviting my friends over. So, why not get a sofa na lang? To think na yung bed is super big and a bed is just a bed, 'di ba? Parang matitake up niya yung space ko. And this area kasi is where I do contents mostly. And move ko lang to somewhere there and it's good to go. I can do my contents without a problem or without a hassle. Just gonna move that to that side. Actually, super big nito. Itong side pa lang na to, 'di ba? Parang kasyang-kasya na ako. Yeah, and yung other part niya, yung nilalagay dito, that's actually a storage. That's good since I have a lot of clothes na. But yeah, also got a ref. So finally, meron na akong refrigerator to store my food. Kasi for the past few months, hirap na hirap din ako to, do my groceries and stuff. So this is my first of buying adult stuff. First of my many big girl purchases. Just so happy that I get to, buy this with my own hard-earned money. And also the ref, I'm excited to fill it up with food, lots of groceries. So now let's go to the grocery to fill in with our new refrigerator. Hey guys, it has been few months since the last clip of our vlog. And today is actually February 7, 2025. Yung last clip natin was, if I'm not mistaken, November pa or December. So today, well, actually I don't have a lot of time pa to explain what happened from the last few months. But today, our agenda is we're going to the salon. So as you can see, I'm blonde today. Nagpa-blonde ako December 2024. And medyo kapagod na ako mag-style sa kanya since bleach yung hair ko and na-dry siya. Well, maganda siya ngayon kasi I styled it yesterday. Pero pag nagliligo ako and then pag air dry siya, sobrang dry niya after. So I have to style it every time. I have to straight or curl it. So medyo hassle na. So I'm going back to the salon that I went to dun sa if y'all can remember dun sa ating vlog sa episode 2. So, di ba nagpa-ice din ako ng hair before? And I love yung treatment doon, yung sustain. It really made my hair soft and parang healthy looking. I wanna try it again dito sa hair ko. Pero I'm also thinking of darkening my hair na. I don't know, baka dark brown. We'll see later. I'm gonna be going with my friend, si Girling. Medyo matagal na rin kami hindi nagmi-meet. So, I think yung last time na magkasama kami was New Year's pa. 1 month na rin yun. And, yeah, I'm just gonna wait for her. Yeah, yun lang naman. So, yun lang agenda natin for today. So, I'm just gonna change my outfit later. I'm gonna be bringing you guys with us. Let's go. This is the outfit. Top and jeans are from Shein, as usual. And for slippers, magsa-sandals lang ako. And then for the bag, I'm thinking of bringing this one. Let's see. Ayan. Okay. That's the fit. On the way na daw si Girling dito. So, sabay kami pa salon. So, mag-grab na lang kami. Madama tayo. Bali ko po kasi siya. ASMR. Hey guys, so since some of you are asking how do I style my hair, especially with its curl, so I decided to add this to this video. Minsan lang ako nagwa-wash ng hair. In a week, probably 3 or 4 times a week lang ako nagwa-wash. Para din maiwasan ko na ma-dry yung hair ko, since obviously dry naman talaga siya. So para lang ma-lessen pa lalo yung pagka-dry. Sometimes mas less pa. Kasi pansin ko, pag for example, I don't wash it in 3 days, so ang ganda ng lapat ng hair ko, lalo na pag curl siya. Parang ang healthy looking niya. Anyway, after I wash it, I sometimes blow dry it. Pero sometimes I also air dry it lang. But for this video, since papakita ko yung madalas kong ginagawa, I use this. This is from Gabor. Meron siyang settings for heat settings. Ayan. So actually may nozzle to na nilalagay. But I don't like using it. I like it like this para lahat ng hair ko mabilis siya ma-dry. It has 4 heat settings. 1 is cool. Dito siya kiniklik. Second is like warm. Third is hot. Tapos yung pang fourth is a combination of all of the temperature. So, ang lagi kong ginagamit is the cool, yung malamig lang, para hindi na masyado exposed sa heat yung hair ko since again, it's dry. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish blow drying my hair. Okay, I think that's okay na. Another thing, pag i-curl ko siya, I don't really dry it. Parang a little bit damp pa rin. Yung parang medyo basa-basa pa rin siya. Para yung curl niya is mas magtagal. I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah, ingay na ambulance. Now, for the next step, I'm gonna be using this one. So, as you can see, gamit na gamit ko na yan. So, I have this since pandemic pa. So, I think year 2020? Yeah, yung basta sumikat to eh. Actually, 200 plus na ata to, 300. And up until now, 2025, I still have it. So, ayan. Marami na talaga siyang pinagdaanan as in matatanggal na siya. So far, hindi naman siya pumuputok. At sana hindi siya pumutok talaga. Yeah, ang dami ko kasing na-read na reviews before na pumuputok daw yung mga mumurahing ganito. But this one, I think sinuwerte lang din ako. I got this from Shopee. I'll try to find yung link. Tingnan natin kung available pa siya. So, ayan. Ang ikat lang din siyang ganyan. So, I let it heat a little bit before I start curling my hair. Okay, so for this step, you'll be needing the curler, ipit, and then a hair comb. Yan yung hair natin. Trust the process. Pag nag-style ako ng hair, I make sure na marami akong time. Kasi medyo matagal-tagal talaga ako mag-style. Well, it will last me 2 to 3 days naman. So, depende. Hindi kasi nag-oil yung anit ko na mabilis. That's also my advantage. My advantage? Hindi. So, while the curler is heating up, I'm gonna section my hair into 2. Unahin ko yung side na to. And start curling na. So, kukuha lang ako ng konting portion of my hair. Actually, sobrang OA naman yun. Like this part. And then, i-curl ko lang siya ng ganito. And then, I let it sit for 1 minute. Yan lang. Sometimes 30 seconds. Pag sobrang hot na nung curler. So, yan. Ganyan lang, guys. So, patience is a virtue. So, after a minute, ayan. It will look like that. And then, tatapusin ko lang lahat ng hair ko. Okay, so once I'm done with this side, yun lang ulit, itatali ko lang din siya using the same pony para lang hindi messy since I'm gonna move this hair dito sa side na to. So, para hindi sila maghalo-halo. I'm gonna leave my curtain bangs. Hindi ko siya i-curl kasi later isa-straight ko siya. It's a commitment. Okay, so this is the last portion of the hair. So, once I curl it all, may mga parts pa dyan na medyo hindi pa curled. So, babalikan ko yun. Like this part. This is the current situation of our hair. So, while this is heating up, nasaksak ko na din yung straightener. This is what I use naman. That is from Shopee. Recommended to ng friend ko. Actually, a year ago, dala niya yung ganito niya sa buhol nung nagbuhol kami. Super nice nito kasi this can also be used as curler. It's just that hindi ako marunong. I still opt for this one kasi mabilis siya gamitin for me. This one kasi pinapaikot-ikot pa siya and sobrang init nito. So, I don't use it pang curl. So, pang straight lang talaga. Anyway, I think this is okay na. So, medyo messy pa right now but you have to trust the process. So, this one guys, marami tong option. Sobrang nice nito. I think I got this for around 1,000 or 1,500 sa Shopee. So, I'll try to find the link of this. Yeah, so marami siyang option, temperature option. So, nandiyan siya. Meron din siyang lagayan na water. Ayan. Nilalagyan niya ng water sa loob. Pang steam. Something like that. Lang yung curtain bangs ko. Kasi medyo dry siya ngayon. Hindi kasi ako masyadong nagbabad ng conditioner, guys. That's actually also a factor, yung mga conditioner na ginagamit nyo. I'm using keratin. Ayan. So, ganun lang guys. So, I just do this with my bangs. Pero run ko lang ng ganun. And then it's done. For the last step, I use this. This is argan oil, hair oil from The Naturals by Watsons. So, ito yung ginagamit ko ever since the world began. Joke lang. Ever since I started hairstyling. I think pandemic. Yeah. Pandemic lang naman ako na-conscious sa buhok ko. Nung hindi na ako nagpapariban. So, that's another story to tell. But anyway, so, this is the last step. So, isang pump lang guys kasi sobrang dami nito. Like that. Kasi when I do two, sobrang oily na ng hair ko. So, ganyan lang. Hindi ko dinadamay guys yung curtain bangs ko kasi it will look greasy. So, ganyan lang. Ayan, that's perfect. One pump lang talaga kasi pag nagdalawa ka, it's too much. It will look like basang sisiw. And we don't wanna look like that. And also, yung hair mo naman mag-create yan ng sarili niyang oil over time. May natural hair oil will come out. Sometimes, pag nasa house lang ako, ganyan na yan. But to make it look styled, so I'm gonna use this. Ayan. So that is how I do my hair. It will even look more natural over time. With natural lighting, this is how my hair color look like. With its style. Diba sobrang nice?
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah.